What's up, guys? It's Binary Mastermind here with you today. I'm just gonna show you guys this trading strategy I've been using for some time now. It's worked out really good for me today, guys. I've managed to accumulate a really huge amount of profit. I'm currently in a trade right now for a call. Here are the trades that I've done today. I've done I started up quite a bit rough, I would to be honest with you guys. I started up around today is the 22nd. I started started here. I just wanted to test that was just incorrect trade I did there. The first one I did here, I did lose that one. I doubled up, I made my profit back. The next one I did lose, next one I won, the next one I lost, the next one I lost, then one after that I doubled up again. No, actually, it was more or less the same sort of trade size I used. The next one I did double up to recoup some of the losses I had on the previous one. And as you can see here, guys, I was able to get some of my previous losses back and stay into some really good profit. And that's really the objective of this sort of binary options trading, guys, is to find the trades that are high probability and the ones that you're confident with, that are gonna go in the money. And I would say, if you're new to binary options trading, don't put more than 5% of your trading balance. So I would suggest trade very minimal. Right now I'm using IQ option. I've got a trade here for is it $300? It's about to come in the money. It's about to expire very soon, guys. You will see that come in the money. And I have the strategy that I'm using on TradingView, guys. If you want this strategy, I can help you guys how to analyze the market. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to email me at binarymastermind6@gmail.com. I will leave my email in the description down below, and the link for IQ options in the description down below. As you guys can see, I did win this trade of about $273 profit, which is really good. Now, why I took this trade? Well, as you can see here, guys, this strategy is very simple. I took this trade for about I think I took it for 3 minutes. You wanna wait for this market to give you this is a platform that I'm using, the template. Once you see an arrow like so, a green arrow like so, and you get a green line like so, this indication that this is going to go higher. I would preferably take a trade while at this wick here, and wait to this candlestick. I will not wait till this candlestick closes. Actually, I would actually wait. If you don't get this position, you can enter in here. That's perfectly fine. But what I normally do is I normally wait for the next candlestick to retrace a bit further down, so that I can get more or less on the wick, just to get the best entry point. And I put this in for 3 minutes. I think I got in somewhere around in this candle here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. I was in the money. You see, if you get the wicks, guys, you tend to get the best entry point, and you can leave that in for a minute or two. As you can see here, this wick here, 1, 2, and once the next third candle finishes, I know for a fact it's gonna finish below this area here, which is a really good strategy. This strategy has been working for me very well. I've been able to make some really good profit, guys. On IQ option, you can start off with the minimum deposit is $10, which is really good. But if you want to use this strategy, I would advise, especially if you're new to binary options trading, guys, I would advise you guys to use a demo account. And with the demo account, you just get I think it's $1,000 trading account, just to practice with. It's not real money, it's virtual money, it's fake. But if you guys take that strategy, take the strategy that I'm showing you guys here, use it on the demo account, practice on it for about 3 months. I reckon in that space of time you would be able to get better and better at the strategy. And I also use other indications as well. I have some other indicators here, like I use the RSI here, I use the CCI, the stock as well, and then this is stock divergence, and there's another stock as well here, a stochastic indicator here. And this, if you use all these indicators and this strategy as well, guys, it's really powerful, guys. I'm telling you guys, it is a really powerful strategy. I mean, I did take another trade. Did I take a I took a trade on this one here, Euro USD. Very brilliant currency pair. I realized this, as you can see here, there was some support and resistance here. There was a little channel here. It broke out of here, seen the pullback a little bit, took it down here. As you can see, came to a supply and demand area here in this green zone here. Let me make this bigger for you guys to see. It came to this area here. You have to kind of watch this area. Once price comes to this area, you have to see what price is gonna do. And you know, it's really, if you guys have the basic knowledge of support and resistance and supply and demand, you know, and you use this strategy as well, it will really help you guys. If you guys want to learn a lot more about binary options trading, feel free to email me at binarymastermind6@gmail.com. I'll be happy to help you guys, and also help you with the strategy as well. Bear in mind, there is going to be a little charge, nothing major. I mean, in all honesty, in just 1 or 2 trades, you can, you know, you would make profit on that investment. Bear in mind, anything you do in this world does come with an investment. So, you know, you just have to, you know, persevere with that and, you know, just push for it. So, as you can see here, guys, this trade was a really good trade that I did take somewhere. I think it was around here. But I'm gonna try and do a live trade for you guys right here, just to show you guys how profitable this strategy is. I know there's a lot of people, a lot of, like, you know, scams out there. There's a lot of bad softwares out there, guys, so just be aware of that, and, you know, be, you know, sure and cautious of who you know, you're trusting to, and you know, to put your money or invest your money in. I know there's a lot of robots out there that don't really work. There's a lot of you know, so-called no losing trading softwares. You know, guys, be aware of that. And in all fairness, the real trading robot that makes you profit upon profit is more or less yourself, guys. If you apply yourself, you work hard enough, guys, you will achieve. I promise you guys that you will achieve. Success doesn't come for free, guys. You have to work at it and keep pushing, guys. So this trade, this is it. Let's see if there's a trade set up here. Okay, we've got a green here. I'm gonna place a trade for about 3 minutes. Can we get it? Oh, I didn't take the best of entries, but as you can see here, guys, I've placed a trade here for 3 minutes, and it's already shut all the way in the money here, guys. As you can see, it's shot all the way in the money already. So I'm going to leave that in for about 3 minutes, and we're going to see what's going to happen with that trade. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is a really good strategy. I've also got the Bollinger Bands here as well. I mean, the more confirmation you have, guys, the higher probability your trade is going to work out. Why that is? Because, for example, right, I've got the Bollinger Bands. If they, so for example here, you see how the market kind of pierced through this Bollinger Band here? It pierced through it, plus it's come out through this sort of support and resistance trend line, and we've got a signal here. Can you guys see that? Is that kind of okay? So you see we've got a signal here, a very nice green line. If you do get a little green line, like you do get some little green lines, but you know, the big long ones and strong ones like so, you know, indicates it's gonna go up. On top of that, we're in a supply and demand sort of area as well, so that's like a high probability trade. Now, if you're new, guys, like I said, if you're new, I wouldn't advise you guys to use a huge amount or more or less a lot of money while you're trading. I would say probably use 5% maximum. Like I said, 5% maximum if you're brand new to binary options trading. 5%, you know, just use 5%. Not more than that. and you will really see some really good results, guys. And if you would have taken this trade, I would have taken it for 5 minutes, because that's what I normally take. I take 5 minutes, between 5 to 2 minutes, depending on how the trade is, because like as you can see here, there was a big movement here. So I took a 5-minute trade, and as you can see here, guys, look how the market just went up, guys. I mean, if you guys learn supply and demand areas, you will get some really good trades. If you, like I said, guys, if you guys want to learn a lot more, just if you have any issues, any questions, feel free to email me at binarymastermind6@gmail.com. I'll leave what's this here? Sorry about that, guys. I had a call from some random person. Anyways, that trade that I did managed to just break, sort of nothing happened. It just stayed, it came up and then came back to the same place. It didn't really do anything to me for that much, so it wasn't a loss and it wasn't any profit, so that was really good. It wasn't, you know, a bad trade. We didn't, if we don't lose any money, it's not a bad trade, it's a good trade. If we make a little bit of money, that's a good trade. Okay, so I'm gonna try and look for a high probability trade for you guys here, so I can show you guys live, because I haven't managed to find one, because I just had a call. But let's see if I can find a good trade to show you guys. Let's see, Euro USD. As you can see here, here is a resistance line. It has previously broken it here. Let's make this bigger for you guys. It has broken it here. It's broke it here. It came up in an uptrend, huge uptrend. This would have been a nice pullback, but it's come a bit lower than that. Chances are it's gonna come a bit higher, and this is another supply and demand area zone. Yes, that's what I'm watching. But right now I'm watching this market. Let me just get some trend lines here and see what this, you know, market wants to do. Okay, let's see, have we got like a sort of area here? We've got sort of an area here, and it keeps breaking it. So this is giving me an indication, this market, as you can see, look guys, this is another supply and demand zone here, because price just decided to just drop from this area here. Prices decided to just drop. Look at the movement on that. It was very huge. And it just wants to keep on going down. It wants to keep going down. Where is it going to go down to? Look left, structure leaves clues. Boom, there we go. Price looks like price is going to come down to here and stall in this area here. If we get a Fibonacci for more confluence, swing high to low, low to high, sorry guys, and we're in the 786 area. Let's see what happens here. This could be 100% retracement. Let's see. If we break this 786, it's going to be 100% retracement. That I'm going to be sure of. Let's see. It seems like it's broke it. If price makes a lower low, which is about to do very soon, boom, it's made a lower low. Well, not yet. Okay, now it's made a lower low. If we refresh this page, okay guys, you do get 4 signals, so just refresh your page every so often, because you get 4 signals. Don't just purely trade because of the signals. You have to actually trade what you see. The signals are there just to give you extra confirmation. Like I said guys, if you want any assistance and help with this guys, feel free to email me. I'm happy to help. Bear in mind there is a little cost to that. Just bear that in mind guys, but it's not a major one like I said before. Right now it's just, I'm gonna wait for this my template to load up, because it's just playing up. Let's have a look here. Yes, it should be coming up very soon. But yeah guys, as you can see here guys, it's just come all from here and it's just dropped dramatically, which is huge. Right now I'm just waiting for this to come to this zone here, and I'm gonna buy it up guys. I'm gonna buy this up. Let's get this box here. If price managed to come to this area here, I want to buy it up. So like I said, trading, guys, trading is a waiting game. You find your setup, you look for what you want to do, look for what the market is, you know, willing to give you, and once your price hits, you take that position, you take that strike, no hesitation. I'm gonna put it a 5-minute trade on this one. I'm gonna try and make some good profit on this trade. So let's just wait for this to sort of come in. Let's see here. I mean, my internet is just terrible, guys. It's not even, it seems like it's already going up. I mean, on the IQ option is slightly faster. It's saying it's going up already. I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. But yeah, it looks like it is starting to go up now. I'm gonna wait. Okay, as you can see here, guys, I missed it. You see, my internet is just terrible, guys. So, you know, guys, if you have terrible internet, you know, you need to have some good internet, guys, so that you can actually catch these movements. My internet is really slow. We didn't get to this area here, but we got close enough. Right now here is like, I've kind of missed this trade. Guys, you will miss trades. I have missed plenty of trades. If you miss a trade, don't worry about it. Wait for the next setup to come. Now, what I'm looking for now is for price to come to here, and I'm going to sell it. I'm going to take a sell option because it's going to retrace. That's a retracement now. And plus, we've had a huge sort of movement here, and this is like previous. Now, this support and resist, the supply and demand zone is kind of out of the question now because it's been hit so much times. Price can just go in and out of it, so it's no more in our, we don't want to have it in our radar anymore. What we're looking for is for price to come to this blue line here, for us to take a trade to the downside for 5 minutes. So what we're looking for is for price to come more or less to here. I'm going to take a trade to the downside. So yeah, let's have a look at this here. Let's see. Boom. Going some arrows here. Going some arrows here. Okay. That's what we want to see. We want to see price come to here. We have to be patient. I'm going to set it up right here. What time is it now? I'm going to set it for 55 for 5 minutes. Also, once price comes to there, I want to see, you know, price give me an indication it wants to actually go lower, not just come there. Okay, right, here we go. Let's see what price is going to do. This is a waiting game, guys. You have to be patient. Got to be patient, guys. You know, when you see price do that, don't worry about it. You know, what I've noticed now is price has managed to come to a halt at this position here, at this area here. So I'm gonna watch this area very carefully, because when you see price stop at the same level at the previous candle and close that, and as you can see, it didn't close any higher than that. We had a higher wick. Now I want to see from this candle is a lower low from here. You see this wick here? I want to see this candle come lower than here. That's indicating to me that price is gonna go lower and potentially come down to this supply and demand zone right here. Right now I'm just gonna wait on it. I'm gonna minimize that. We don't need that. That's another video I did earlier on before. I'm gonna use all my other indications to see where we at. Okay, we were oversold here, oversold there, oversold there. We're still in a zone where it's like, it's still kind of iffy. Right now there isn't a lot of volatility in the market. It's very, very, very quiet. Okay, now I'm getting some really good indications that price does want to go lower. So now I'm gonna wait on it. I'm gonna wait on it because I want a good entry, guys. I want a good entry here, guys. A really good entry, guys, here. It's still on 5 minutes. I'm gonna still leave a 5-minute expiry for 55. Right now it is 52. Yep, it's 52. So I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna pause this video, and once I get a good entry point, so that I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. I'm gonna come back when it's a good entry, guys. Okay. What's up, guys? I'm back again. I actually sort of forgot to record this bit, guys. But I did manage to enter the trade. I seen this huge movement here, guys. I seen this huge movement here. I waited for the retracement. Plus, we had a signal. Like I said here, guys. Look, I waited for it. Where we last left off was about here. Price didn't manage to meet my agreements. So it kind of went up. So I wasn't able to take a trade there. I seen this huge movement. It dropped dramatically. We had a nice wick here. It came back up. I put a sold on the pullback. I think I bought it around here somewhere. As you can see, it did come in the money. And we had a signal as well, guys. We had a signal as well. Let's put it at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It just ended right now here, guys. It just ended here. As you can see here, guys. There we go. I did put more on this trade simply because this was like a very nice trade. I liked it. I see some huge movement in the market as well. Plus we came to like sort of structure. We didn't touch it, but we came to structure. We didn't make any higher highs. That was for one. We made a low. We came back. I seen this drop. It cancels all of this out. It cancelled this one, cancels this one. That's a best time to really enter the market. So I took this trade very successfully and managed to be in the money, guys. So like I said here, guys, if you guys want to sign up for IQ option over here, I will leave the link in the description down below, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to me, to my channel, guys, as I will be pulling out more content like this to help you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to even comment down below in the description. Give me your opinions and give me any of your, if you guys had any success with this strategy, comment down below, guys. Or if you have any issues, feel free to email me, guys. Thanks for watching, guys.